Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY tutorial on how to make your own DIY gel polishes. So I'm going to be using regular nail polishes and transforming them magically into gel polishes. So the pink one I'm using is from Poundland, and the gold one I just had lying around my house. So they're not very good quality, which makes it even more challenging. So the things you'll need are a piece of aluminum foil. I'm just going to be using that as a tray to mix my stuff all together. And then I have a mixing utensil, which in this case is just a dotting tool. Then I have a gel top coat, and this one is a non-wipe top coat, which means it doesn't have the sticky layer on top, which also means our gel polish is going to be a one-step gel polish. And then I have my regular nail polishes, so the pink one and the golden one. So let's get started. So basically the process is very simple. I'm just going to be taking a blob of the top coat, actually 2 blobs, and mixing that with my regular nail polish. So how it works is you just want to make sure you have more gel polish than the nail polish, and yeah, just mix them all together and use a clean nail polish brush to apply it. So I'm just applying it on a tip to show you kind of how it looks like. And I cured it in my dual LED or dual LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I applied second coat and cured it once again. And this is how it looked like. It's really nice and glittery with some holographic specks of glitter. So this is just me trying to show you the holographic bits with some light. And I also used the golden one and I made a different gel polish. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you soon. Bye.